Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off mono audio function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So right now we have our mono enabled. How to turn it off? How to go back to our stereo or surround or whatever we had previously. We need to go to settings, then in accessibility options menu we are looking for hearing enhancements, and here we have our mono audio. As you can see now it is turned on. We can turn it off from here if you want to. Of course we can change our options here, so only connected audio or connected audio and phone speakers if you want, but if we simply want to turn it off, it's right here. No need to save, go back to our home screen, that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.